The baseline Designrr app allows users to quickly create ebooks from scratch using AI or import content from various sources, including PDFs, Word documents, Google Docs, and web pages. With Designrr, you can present a great-looking, high-quality design that looks like it's been put together by a professional. There's no need for design or technical skills. Stay tuned to see answers to frequently asked questions a little later on in this video. Designrr's user-friendly design editor enables users to easily edit text, import documents, and preview changes, ensuring a streamlined ebook creation process. The draft editor follows the steps in the creation process. The draft editor comes in just before you're taken to the template stage to choose a template, whereafter you want to move on to the design interface stage, and this, draft editor stage, is where you want to add the different headings, edit the text, and so on, before moving to the next. Editing text in the design interface is a little more difficult, and that's the reason why you want to do it in the draft editor, before moving on to the design editor. Did I stress that point enough? Let me know in the comments. The software transforms ordinary ebooks into professionally designed, high-quality publications, enhancing their appeal and marketability. No need for Photoshop. Any image can be cropped, resized, colored as you see fit. A comprehensive image editor is included. Publishing ebooks through Designrr can increase website traffic, generate leads, and boost sales by creating lead magnets and offering valuable content. Designrr is the first tool ever to include content and design in one easy-to-use software platform for professional and stunning instant ebooks. No need to buy third-party templates, graphics, or images. No need to outsource to expensive third-party services or freelancers who simply don't deliver what you want. As mentioned earlier, the software includes a comprehensive image editor, eliminating the need for external programs, like Photoshop, allowing for efficient image manipulation. With Designrr, you just create or import your content, select a template, change the cover image, and generate an ebook. That's it. Nothing more is needed. Designrr offers additional benefits such as a commercial license, content marketing ebooks, weekly coaching, and a supportive Facebook community, providing comprehensive support and resources for its users. Next. Some frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions. Starting with: who owns the copyright to these ebooks? Answer: all ebooks you publish are your copyright. Designrr does not own or retain any rights to your content. They simply provide the technology to enable you to create them. Question: how many PDF ebooks can I publish? Answer: you can publish as many as you like and download them to your machine. You can even go back in, edit, and republish with your changes. Question: can I import website pages as well as posts? Answer: yes. Because we are not tied to WordPress. You can import pages and posts. You can even import MS Word and Google Docs. Create, design, and launch stunning ebooks and reports in 2 minutes without typing a word. And with Word Genie AI as part of the deal and enough credits, let AI do the work. That's it for now. The link to the website is below this video. I suggest that you click the link to see for yourself what all is in this special lifetime offer. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. See you in my next video.